Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can extend a clip in DaVinci Resolve. So for example, we have all of these clips and I want to change the duration of this one. You can go ahead and double click it and now you will see that it has 16 seconds of the clip. If you want to go ahead and cut it, all you have to do is hold on this timeline, click I, and then choose an option where you want to cut it and click O. And now you can go ahead and drag this portion of the video somewhere where you want it to be, just like so. Now, if you want to go ahead and extend one clip, you can go ahead by dragging it like so. But now, as you can see, the other clip is also affected. So that doesn't fit us. What you need to do is go ahead, click on this button, Trim Edit Mode, and now you can go ahead and make it like so, and now the other clip is unaffected. And that's basically it. When you select, for example, a clip and drag it with this button, you increase the video by, for example, here 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 5, and so on and so forth. That's how you can extend a clip. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.